is Zolti. I am the co-founder, creative director of Breakfast. We specialize in connecting the online world to the physical world. A lot of our background is in software development, working with big brands, kind of digital marketing. We started realizing that we could take these skills and via the Arduinos of the world, started playing around in the hardware, not just hacking and breaking stuff and making kind of ugly things, but really kind of combining the world of digital and online with a full product design house, kind of taking all these different skill sets, putting them under one roof, and really just focused on connecting, taking everything, all the powerful stuff that's online, and what happens when you can actually build circuit boards and products and connect those two worlds. When Instagram came out with their API, we kind of were just talking about what are people going to do with this. You know, it's interesting how Instagram kind of was inspired and goes back to the idea of the Polaroid and kind of these different filters from old film. We thought it'd be really cool if you could kind of just bring that full circle. Came up with the idea of Instaprint, just add a hashtag or pull in a geolocation and just automatically be able to print people's photos. And now it's evolved a year and a half later into pretty much a full business where we rent these things out. They've been in backstage at the Grammys and Lady Gaga concerts all the way down to, you know, small little product launches and things like that. So the screen behind me this is just a piece of what used to be a 22-foot long screen made up of 44,000 tiny plastic discs that actually spin from black to white. So it's a full mechanical screen that we took from something that's really just a utility that was used in construction sites to kind of tell you what was going on and turn it into something that's running at 30 frames a second for our client TNT for a new TV show. So this used to be installed on 32nd Street, 2 blocks below Macy's, and people could interact with the screen and you can actually hear. That's kind of the most amazing part is you move your arm, you can actually hear your movements, and it's quite mesmerizing. SparkFun is kind of the no-brainer place to start, especially at the beginning of our company when we didn't really know what the hell we were doing. We just started ordering tons of parts, tons of the sort of small kits. As we kind of hit hurdles, it's a great site where you kind of say, you know, we're trying to figure out how to do something with cellular and Arduino, and so we would go and we'd type stuff in. It's like, they have a thing, let's figure it out. We've been utilizing SparkFun literally from before we even opened the shop. I'd say we have a lot of red little circuit boards sitting around of parts that we've, you know, still use, as well as learned really the basics of everything that we now do.